I'll tell you one thing. Doesn't it look like we've got a W into almost an M? Like, why is it that if I trace over this, it becomes that much more easy to see? W into M. Now remember that this same kind of concept did happen on our last session. We were over here. Like, you see how I mean, it's not quite like a W, right? But it did have this. And it's not exactly the same, right? But what I do think is the same is this. When we went up and did this part right here, we did that, right? And then also in this one, we went up and did that. So when I pull these two things aside, right? I see that happening again. The same kind of thing that has to happen every time we do create an M, but it has yet to create an M properly. Market's firing on all cylinders back to the tip of the triangle. Oh my god, that reminds me of another thing too. Don't have to go far back to find it, I don't think, but just like, look at this. You see how like the triangles have been so adamant? Whoa, oh my god. I just saw the same pattern again. Hold on. One up, and then we do this. Doesn't this look like the same pattern I was just showing? Like where it's like, oh, it has yet to do the M. What's up with that? It even came from a fucking W. Look at that. W. And then it was like, I'm going to do an M. I'm going to do an M. I'm going to do an M. But nah, it's going to be a triangle. And we're going to attack the triangle from both sides. So this is something that's very, 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 very specific. So today we just went over that it can look like a W. You know, like before it was like, oh yeah, sure. That could be a W. This could be our M. That would be perfect world, right? Well, lately we do this. This is what we do. That's exactly what we do. And it's terrible. Ironically, there's more value in doing the original thing. But this is something to watch out for. And it's specific here. Like where we have this like shitty triangle. And it wants to go spike out of both sides. Okay, so just remember one thing. This is what we did. It's like an unfinished M. We'll call it the unfinished M. Now, what did the unfinished M mean? It meant doing a triangle right after this motion. Okay? So do we understand that? I want to take it over to where we are right now. So this pattern, I believe, is actually happening. Just to point it out here. So this motion is like, you know, phase A, I guess, in this kind of environment, like the first thing that it does. It shot up and then made that kind of, you know, oh, I'm going to make an M kind of look, right? And then it turns into a triangle, like it was a triangle. And typically that triangle gets attacked by both sides. So what did we do in here? Let's just take a picture of it, zoom in, and show you how we went up and we made this I'm going to make an M pattern, but it also had a triangle that was attacked by both sides. I mean, it depends on how you want to look at it. Like, you could say that it tried to make an M here, and it was like, oh, I'm going to go down to the B point. I'm going to make an M. And instead of that, we made a triangle, and that triangle was attacked by both sides. So when I look at what the components of this structure are, and how similar they were to what we did do as a matter of fact on another day, is component number one was to run up, you know, like that, run up like that, you know, come down into that M-like pattern, come down into that M-like, it's like an uncompleted M, and then to make the triangle right after that, and then to attack the triangle specifically from both directions right after that. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what we did another day. Like completely. All the way over here. On Wednesday. And it took all freaking day. All day to do that. And today, I'm proud to say that it is nowhere near as big as this. And it will be over probably in a quarter of the time. Like, look at the size of what we did the other day. in comparison to what we're doing now. You can see it's like not even there, not even the same kind of motion. But for the sake of it, let me draw in what happened on the other day. So when I see this, it's not just a bunch of random shit in here. I specifically see a triangle, and it gets overlapped from both sides. And since that low, we've come very far back to the low, but it hasn't come back entirely. And I find it ironic that the same kind of sequence that we used to get off of the low is happening right now. Like, you could say that this pattern that we had right here, it had different phases, like the first phase being the W playing out, like it's part of it. Like it's part of the W, and it's playing back out to the B point. Those are 5 moves that can be placed like this, and you can see that they can also be placed really differently. Like, those 5 moves right there, they happen today as well. Here, 1, 2, but you can notice that it didn't come all the way back down to the B point, and those B points are still left untested. Yet there's still 5 waves. Now, you want to know what's funny? This is the 3rd time that this whole sequence has happened. It's not just this time and the big other time, but this time over here, where it was really a large move. Now, the thing with this one is it also left untested B points down there. Like, in my opinion, it actually starts from here. It's like the same kind of concept, but it doesn't have the same sort of play out. Like, if it was a normal W, it would play out like that. But in this case, there's still the same amount of trends, 5 trends altogether. It doing all of this W and playing up back to the B point, that's like phase A, like the first thing that it does, phase 1, The second thing that it does is the triangle. And then, after it's finished constructing the triangle, the third thing that it does is overlap that triangle with a pattern that respects the equilibrium, attacking the mean. And what it does after this is something it's quite interesting. It's new. Like, every time we finish the return back to the triangle, a different thing can happen. So, like, for instance, over here, after we returned back to the triangle, it made the triangle, and we attacked from both sides, and we went up. And today, we've done something kind of similar. We've taken the attack on that triangle, and we did go up. Whereas on the other day, that we did it a little bit differently, there was still the same 5. We left B points untested below. And after we were done that, there was that threat of becoming an M, but instead it was just a triangle. And I suppose you can say that it was attacked by both sides. Very small amount at middle of the night on Sunday, so can't expect much movement out of that regardless. But this is something that has happened, and something that we are doing, and that we may see again. So knowing as much as we can about it is really important. I like breaking it down into different steps and making sure that it's visible every single time that it has done it. Pattern from yesterday into a video. This one. And I'm like, holy shit, is that what we're doing right now? Does it look like that? Like, funny enough, what we do in that pattern is we go up and we make an M, and then that M turns into a triangle and attacks from both sides. Like, that's what we do in there. We go up, we make the M, we make a triangle, we attack from both sides.